Hello everyone, welcome to Books Amaze, and today I'm back with a book review, and the book in question today is The Four Agreements, written by Don Miguel Ruiz. If you're new to my channel and watching me for the very first time, I'd like to mention that my name is Avni, and on this channel Books Amaze, I talk a lot about books, book recommendations, lessons from books, about life, about motivational topics. So if you like all of that, please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, you know me already, so welcome. And today we're going to talk about this book, The Four Agreements, which is quite popular in the self-help genre. And I first heard about this book from Joe Rogan's podcast. This book is apparently one of the favorites of Joe Rogan, and he talks a lot about this book and the lessons from this book. And honestly, I picked up this book because last year was not a very good year for me in terms of reading books. I didn't read a lot. So I picked up this book thinking that, okay, it's quite a famous book and it's quite small, so it wouldn't take a lot of time to finish this. But it is a small book, but it is packed with gems of wisdom. And apparently it's also titled as A Practical Guide to Personal Freedom, a Toltec wisdom book. So it is marketed as a wisdom book. Now, Toltec was a community of people who belonged to southern Mexico, and they were referred as women and men of knowledge. It's also written in the book that anthropologists have spoken of the Toltec as a nation or a race, but in fact, the Toltec were scientists and artists who formed a society to explore and conserve the spiritual knowledge and practices of the ancient ones. And the author of this book, Don Miguel, is also one of them. Actually, I read about the background of this author quite a lot, and I came to know that he actually was a surgeon. His grandfather was a shaman, his mother was a healer, and he comes from a family of healers. So his family also anticipated that he would join them and he would learn about the spiritual aspects of healing and all of that. But his calling was more to become a surgeon at that particular time. But later on, he met with an accident, a life-threatening accident, and that accident changed his whole perception, and his calling changed to learn more about his ancestral knowledge. So he then moved into that, and then he explored all of that and he learned all those teachings, and then he wrote this book. I really like this book and I have my reasons for that. First of all, as I said, it's a very concise book. There are only just 4 agreements, very powerful 4 agreements that you can easily remember and easily practice in your daily life. It's not like those self-help books which will give you 7 things or 10 things or 15 things that you have to remember, which we generally don't remember and we generally don't follow. Like, I have honestly forgotten what were the 7 habits of highly effective people or what were the 10 rules of Ikigai. I'm sure if I would practice them daily, I might remember them, but for me, 4 things are easy to remember rather than 7 or 10. The next thing that I liked was that this book doesn't have zillions of examples of successful people or successful companies. It's just a wisdom book which presents you with 4 agreements that you can easily follow, easily incorporate in your daily life. And I'm done with reading all of those success stories in a book when I just want to read the main concept and how I can apply them easily in my life. So now let's talk about the 4 agreements that are present in this book. The first one is be impeccable with your word. The second one is don't take anything personally. The third one is don't make assumptions. And the fourth one is always do your best. These are very simple, very easy to apply, very easy to remember concepts, and most of these are the things that we generally do. We do take things personally. We keep thinking about it once someone has said something to us. We keep thinking about it for a week or a month or maybe for a year. We do make assumptions about people. We do think what are they thinking about me, and we might not always do our best because we keep going in this loop of making assumptions and taking things personally. So I'm not going to go deep into all of these agreements individually because I want you guys to read it and review for yourself how you feel about this book. But in a nutshell, I would like to say that I really liked how this book was written, and I really liked how concise and how hard-hitting each of these agreements were. And I could easily understand how I was not adapting these agreements and why I need to adapt these very simple agreements and how they would change my life. And the main premise of this book talks about domestication, on how since we were born, we were not choosing things for ourselves. We were not able to choose our name, we were not able to choose our family, and we were sort of domesticated, which is a term which we usually use for animals. But if you think think about it, humans are also domesticated in many ways. So in a way, we are not free. We are only free when we are self-aware of ourselves, our habits, our bad habits, and when we change it, when we deliberately become aware and try to change our habits, then only we become free. So all of these four agreements are surrounded around that concept of domestication and freeing yourself. And there's no there's no preaching in a way that would feel unnecessary or would pressure you, or it would not feel like a repetitive thing that is said in a lot of other books. It genuinely helps you, and it's not over the top or cheesy sort of a self-help book. So I really liked it. You know guys that I'm very picky about self-help books, and if I'm recommending something, you can trust me on that. So I hope that you'd like this review, and I want you guys to read this book for yourself and let me know in the comments if you have read it already. What did you feel about this book? Also, do make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm with the same name, Books Amaze. I also share book recommendations, book teachings, reading tips there on Instagram. So do make sure to follow me there as well. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, you guys take care of yourself. Keep reading, keep smiling.